In this question, we have to write an equation to represent the total number of chocolates in terms of x. So let's have a look at the question. So Jack's mother gave him a bag containing 50 chocolates. Okay, so that's an important piece of information. And these are going to be given to his friends at his birthday party. So he gave 3 chocolates to each of his friends and still had 2 chocolates left. Okay, so let's go back to our 50 chocolates. Let's just write that down. 50 chocolates, and they are going to be given 3 chocolates to each of his friends. Okay, so it's 3 chocolates by the number of friends he has. Number of friends. Right, and when he's given 3 chocolates to each of his friends, he still has 2 chocolates left over. Okay, so there's going to be, this is another fact, it's going to be 2 chocolates left over. Left over. Now, if x is the number of Jack's friends at the party, we have to write an equation. So we had 3 chocolates by the number of friends. Now we're saying that the number of friends is going to be x. So that might be 5 or it might be 10. We don't know what it is yet. So let's see then. We have 3 by the number of friends he has, which is x. Okay, and if we add on 2 from the 2 chocolates that were left over, let's add on 2. When we add them all up, we should get 50 chocolates in total. Okay, so just to go over that again, this is 3 chocolates, one for each of the friends, plus the 2 left over is going to equal 50 in total. Now we're back to a normal equation, so we can do our 2 lines on either side. We want to isolate the x, get the x part on its own. So I want to get rid of that minus 2, so I'm going to have to take minus 2 from both sides. So I'm going to have a minus 2 here and a minus 2 here. I'm going to rewrite that again. So we have 3x plus 2. And we have the red minus 2 from over here. And then we have our, we still have our equal sign. Oops, that's in red. We have our equal sign, we have our 50, and our other minus 2 in red again. So now, the plus 2 and the minus 2 will become 0, so we're just left with 3x on the left-hand side. And that's equal to 50 minus 2, which is equal to 48. Now, we're nearly there. We have 3x is equal to 48, and we want to know what one of those x's is equal to. So if we divide both sides by 3, we'll get the x on its own, and we'll get whatever 48 divided by 3 is. So I'm going to just put this in green, just so we can see the difference. So I'm going to divide this side by 3, and I'm going to divide this side by 3. We'll write it out again. 3x equals 48, and I'm going to divide both sides by 3. Okay, so 3x divided by 3 is just x, and 48 divided by 3 is 16. If you want to double check that, we can write it over here. So this is just a little check. So 3 by 16, 6 3s are 8, 3 1s are 6 3s are 18 and 1, 3 1s are 3 and 1 is 4, and we get 48. Perfect. Okay, so there are 16 friends at the party. Each of them got 3, which would be equal to 48. When you add on the 2, we get back to our original 50. And that's it.